Alright everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Now in today's video we are going to be transforming the inside of this BMW 1 Series. We've got a few different things that we're going to be doing. We're going to be changing we're adding new pedals basically. We're putting new aluminium parts on to make it like brighten up the interior, the footwells. And talking about the footwells, we're also putting new LED lights. They're just little strips that go underneath and then they're remote controlled and you change the colour and everything. So yeah, that should hopefully brighten up. And what else? Oh yeah. We're also putting a new blue start-stop button on the inside, and then the last thing is we're just going to be changing the front window wiper things because they make a right racket at the moment, so they're desperately needed changing. But yeah, let's get started. Let's get all the mods out and start installing them. Okay, so there's about 1 million flies at the moment. I don't know why, but this is the boot full of things. Apart from this, we don't need this. We'll get that in a minute. But, so what we're doing, right, we've got the 2 window wipers. I think, should we just do this first and then we'll move on to the interior? Yeah, can do. Yeah? We'll put these on, and then we've got the 3 other things that we're going to be doing. But yeah, let's move on to the front of the car and we'll put these on. Okay, so just a quick example of these window wipers. They don't sound like that. They smudge everything, and when it's like, how do I stop them now? There we go. Yeah, they make a right racket on some days when it's really like horribly, like, I don't know, it's just not very nice basically. So we're gonna be taking these off, and it's so easy. If you go to Halfords, right, that's where they're from, and they say, do you wanna get someone to install them for you? It's like a tenner or something to put them on. Say no, because they're that easy to take off. I'm guessing, because they're 2 different sizes. The long one, yeah, this is the long one. Let's get the new one out. I've needed these since the day I bought this car, so it's gonna be so. They're different sizes? Yeah, the window wipers are. I didn't know that. Yeah, that's a smaller one over there. Wait, do I have to attach something here? What the hell? Wait, what? This is a bit more complicated than I expected. I thought it was going to be clipped on off. Oh. Maybe... Halfords is laughing right now. Yeah, maybe you do need to pay someone. What? Oh, this is the thing we need, right. Yeah. They give you different attachments. Okay, maybe you need to pay people at Halfords to do this. What's going on? Alright, you slide this in there. And that goes in. Bang, that's in now. Yeah, nice. Right. That was actually more difficult than I thought, surprisingly. Dash this one out, I don't need that one anymore. Don't need the old fitment. All that can go in the bin, mate. Alright, new one. Done. Alright. Let's test these new bad boys out. Oh, that is actually so. Oh, it doesn't smudge it. It's actually a clean window for once. Okay, so the first one we're going to install is I reckon, new pedals. We'll do that first. We'll move them from right to left. So new pedals, let's get these out. So we got the footrest here, that goes up there on the left side, and then we got the accelerator pedal, nice aluminium, and then the clutch and brake pedal there. So I think they just clip over the top, and this one sticks down, so we're going to have to wipe that one down. I'm actually gassed for this. This should make such a big difference. Okay, this is where they don't fit. This is where they don't fit. Okay, so the pedals don't fit. Like, I don't know, I swear every single modification video there is always one thing that just goes wrong. So they don't fit. I'm gonna try and send them back and get other ones, but let's move on to the next thing, which is the blue start-stop button that I'm gonna be replacing in there. Okay, so for this one, you need a couple of things. You need to get one of these tool things to pry out this. And then you got clips inside which you need to like push with a tiny thing. So we got these. A tiny thing? Do you mean a screwdriver? Yeah, well you just need like either tweezers or just a thing that's like really like small. There we go. It's coming out. Alright, nice. So you have to disconnect this, which is just pulling this out like so. With this, you've taken this out. There's 6 clips, I think, 4 down the bottom, 2 up top, and you just take them off one by one. It's so easy. Literally like these little black clips here, and then that's off. And now this is where you need so in here, in the white bit, this is where you need the 2 like the really small screwdriver or something, and you basically just pry off the 2 clips, and then the button should just fall out. Okay, so the black button is now out, Yeah, you need two things, like pry it out with that and then just stick like something like that in just to hold the clip out, but then do the other one, it falls out. And now we need the new one, which is in here. So now obviously you're right way up, and then that should just clip in. There you go, that's that one. There you go, that's clipped in now. So yeah, that's just clipped in. Put the back on. Again, this should just also clip in as well. Put this back on like that. Bang. And then plug this in. Okay, and I'd recommend before you put it in, just make sure it works. Nice, there we go. Okay, ignition works. And then this. Boom, look at that. That's so sick.
Gosh, look at that.
That does it good. The first actual successful mod. Let me just do it from my angle.
Yeah, make sure you...
Look how good that looks.
It's the same colour as well as the, just about as the BMW.
Yeah, that looks good, doesn't it? That just carries, again, all that blue theme throughout the car. That is a decent mod. I'm
yeah, it definitely matches that there as well, kind of.
Yeah, looks good. All right. The first mod that's been successful, well, I suppose the window wipers are alright, but...
It's not really a mod, is it?
No. Alright, now, on to the last thing, which is the LED lights to go in the footwells. Okay, so these are the new LED lights in here. So we got the remote control. I went with the remote control because you can get it where you do it on an app on your phone, but I didn't want to risk it like being, connects that to Bluetooth and then you not be able to connect your phone to the music as well on the car, so I just got the controller. And then here are the 4 things that would go under the 2 footwells in the front and in the back as well. Okay, so the LED lights are all in, and I'll show you in detail. Right? If you look at the footwell, can you see your side? Right, so we got the remote here, we got change it to green, you know, red, orange, cyan. That blue like cyan looks so good. Purple looks good as well. Or you can go over a rainbow, or if we're feeling a bit, you know, like in a rave mood, boom. See that? But also I want to show you guys the way we've set it up. I'll put it back to blue so it matches everything.
Whoa.
What?
Way I set it up.
Oh yeah, sorry. The way Jake set it up. Jake did the wiring very well, to be fair. Let me take the camera. So, as you can see, under here, there's the LED light and the wire runs off through that gap and it's all under there, the wiring, so you can't see any wiring at all. And if I move the seat forward, the most you can actually see the wires, there's a little sensor, so only I can see it. But if I move the seat forward, the only wires you can see is from when you're in the back here. So you can see there, and it's all attached to the seat, so when you move the seat back, it comes with it. And from the back here, that looks so good. But the only wires you can see through the centre there, when it focuses, of just them either side. Them wires, they're the only wires you can see, and everything else is so clean. But yeah, that is so good for the interior. It modernises it, and just makes it look good. But yeah. Alright, but that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed all the mods. The pedals didn't fit, unfortunately, but now we've got the blue theme running from the outside inside, the LED lights and the blue little start stop button. It looks well good. But yeah, that's going to be it. I'm now also started to stream on Twitch, so all my links to Twitch will be down below. I'm like playing different games and that, so if you're into that stuff, give me a follow. And I'm usually live from like evenings and stuff like that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Also, big thanks to Jake as well, the cameraman, obviously, for filming and actually doing a great job on all the wires and everything. So it looks good and clean. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.